Hey guys, ReptoSlicer here, back at it again with another review. This time it is on the Remote Control Stunt Racer car from Dollar Tree. Got it for $7. Been wanting to get one of these for a while and make a review on it, and I'm finally doing it. So I got this recently. If you guys saw that video, it's actually, this is the thumbnail of it. So yeah, I got this at Dollar Tree. And one thing to note is these do not come with batteries. You got to provide your own. Probably the reason why it's $7. If it did have batteries with it, it'd probably be like $10. But yeah, I got kind of random brands here. Only the best for this. Nah, it's just some random batteries I just kind of scrounged up. So yeah, let's unbox it, shall we? So, you'll need a screwdriver for the batteries, but I don't need that right now. Gotta get this pocket knife out, though. So yeah, it's taped right here. That. It's also taped on this side as well. And then it should just open up like this. There's the controller, and the car just falls out of the packaging. Nice. Good job, Dollar Tree. So yeah, here's the remote, which is, it's weird that the antenna's like that. It's probably not good for it to be bent like that, but okay. So you gotta twist these little tab things for it to come off. Here's the instruction manual on how to operate the car, which we don't need because it's a basic RC car. It's not rocket science to learn how to operate it, so pretty straightforward. So let's put batteries in the remote. Oh, it takes AAAs. Lovely. Gotta go inside and get AAA batteries. Batteries are in. I literally just stole these out of one of my flashlights. There's the cover. Put back on. And the car itself, there's 2 screws here. Alright, so here's the cover. It just comes off like that. And 4 batteries. Now, the previous model of this had the batteries in different. They had them like this. One here, one here, one here, and one there. Not in a row like this. This is actually way more convenient. So let's get the batteries in. Alright, got the batteries in. The older model of this also had actual, like, headlights. Oops. Had, like, actual headlights for the car. This one, sadly, does not. Alright, so, let's put the cover back on. So it just goes on here like this, and then you screw it back together. Alright, so let's turn it on. Let's, see if it works. Man, the range on this is not very good. This remote kind of sucks. Man, this remote sucks. These buttons get stuck. Look at that, it keeps like cutting out. So stupid. It's not the RC car, it's the remote. This is so like terrible. Can't even use it. Look at this. It sticks. See, look. This is terrible designing. If you use a different remote, I'm sure it'll work just fine. It's working pretty decent, but it's just this remote sucks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This car works good, but the remote kind of sucks. Like literally, it goes out of range within like a couple feet. So yeah, the RC car is good. The remote just sucks. Wait, can I just...